Hello everyone, welcome to So Dramatic, where we're bringing fantastic ideas to life. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this bow tie square. So I've chosen two fabrics with a third one for the bow tie across. This piece right here, and two contrasting background pieces that I think will go beautifully together. The first thing we're going to do is take one of these, and sandwich it in here. And one of those on top. And we're going to sew this seam on this side. There it is right there. I do a hefty back stitch. There's the back so you can really see it, just so that it really anchors everything in place. Now we're going to pull it apart and give it an iron. And this is where it gets a bit trickier. I'm not going to iron this, I'm just going to finger press it. And then we need to be very careful that we put the opposite one down here and up there, because these two are going to come together. So they need to be on opposite sides. All right, let's go to the sewing machine. Okay, there it is. And we're going to iron that open as well. Now this is where it gets tricky. We want to pop that open, grab both of these. Do you see it? It can be a little on the tricky side. It does want to wriggle away on you. Pop it all the way out and then put all of that together. We're going to get some pins and make sure it's all together. Okay, as you can see, it's pinned together pretty mercilessly. These two seams are together. That is folded inside. You want to make sure not to catch the edge of the folded part inside there when you sew. All right, so there it is sewn together. I backstitch in 3 places here, right where it's starting to get into the multiple layers of fabric. One right there, because that's where all the corners are meeting, and one right here, just so that it's all together and it's going to stay together. Now we're going to pull it open to see the magic of this. And then we're just going to press, press, press. And there you have it. One beautiful dimensional bow tie block. You can stick your fingers under there. You can fluff it up. Some people like to put stuffing in there too when they do this. I have never tried it, but it makes a beautiful accent and something more visual than just flat bow ties to look at. And there's your block. Happy quilting, everyone. Like, comment, and subscribe.